Alrighty, what's up everybody? Brand new video here that we can see. Now this is Subway Surfers. Alright, and we will begin right now. Let's get it. Alright. So, this is I was gonna do live, but it's not working. It's not working. I don't know how to explain it. It's just not working out. Okay, I tried since the afternoon. I've been trying to do it live, but it's not working. So maybe, just maybe, I can find another way to do a video game live. Alright? Just maybe. Okay? I'm not making a promise, because then probably some of you are probably going to say, you promise, and then right after that, then it's like, yeah. So I don't want to, make that promise. Because I don't want to do something and then... yeah. So far, so good. Our goal for this video, our goal is to, every single time. Alright, I'm just not gonna talk, okay, until the end, because I'm trying to focus. Alright, so our goal for this game is to go as fast as we can, okay? Fast as possible. I don't know why I just jumped there. It's hilarious. Not hilarious, just funny. Alright. So I would say yes, we're doing pretty good. Okay, here that you guys can see. Oh, we got two mystery boxes. No. Urgh. You unlocked Trixie. Really? Were you a ballerina? Alright, we're just gonna go home. Let's go in me. Really? Let's use Trixie. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, I decided, just switch up the player. Switch it up a little bit, But, let's do this. That's what I forgot. For the upgrades, you can see that there is pigeons. Alright, that is the new upgrade. Roll, 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 roll. Oh! Oh, snap, yo! I land on a train. No! Guys, if we crash, that's it. We're done. Okay? We're done. Alright, that is a very bad thing. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. Why wouldn't you guys know? You guys probably played this game already. No! Ugh! No! Oh my gosh! Ooh, nice bounce. Yeah, so back to what I was saying. I was gonna do this live, but the problem was that live, like, I kept on, like, seriously, guys. Like, you guys know me. When I try to do something, I try, and then I explain it to you guys. Like, I actually really tried. I really did. Like, I always wanted to do a video live, but it never seemed to work out for me. Maybe I'm just, like, missing a piece. Or something like that. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, again, our goal is to go as fast as possible. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because it got a new upgrade. And what I'm going to start doing is that doing things that got upgraded. Yeah, I guess I could start that. Not like every day. Okay, I know it's been a while since I've done a game. About like what? Like a month now? No, like what? No, I think it's 3 weeks. Yeah, I haven't done a game. No, ow! I jumped! Ooh, mystery box. Another skateboard! Yes. No, I'm not doing that. Alright. Like, seriously, I really wanted to do a live video, but I could not. Now, I'm only doing this video 15 minutes long. Hopefully, it's not the part where, I'm playing and then it's like 16 minutes and I just, keep going and going and going. You guys probably know how that feels, right? Right? Yeah, right. Yeah, you guys probably know what I'm talking about. You know when you're playing a game and then someone's like calling you and then you're like going super fast, you're doing Gucci, and you just mess up. Like literally, you just mess up right then and there. Oh no! Oh my gosh! No! Alright, I'm not losing this time. Don't want to jinx it now, do you? Haha! Yeet! That's how you yeet it right there. That's how you yeet. Ooh, and dead zone. Yeah, when you're in the middle of train tracks, I call it the dead zone. Cause literally, if you don't move in time, you're dead. So it's called so I call it the dead zone. Oh, get it, yay! Oh, did you see that? What was... Boy! No! Oh, it's not a boy, so I can't use that. You idiot! No! Oh, that was a close one. You know, for a second now, I thought I was literally, legit about to lose. Like, no kidding. See, the thing that I learned about this game, viewers and subscribers, that, the coins lead you to death. Literally. Like, when you're getting the coins, it literally leads you to your death. Watch this, watch this. Like, 1 out of, like, 100. See? It leads you to your death. Look at that. I told you. Like, barely 1 out of... Oh, I almost killed the bird just now. No. Ah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put emoji somewhere here that I'm angry. A new spray paint. Ooh, we have 2. What are you doing? What you doing? Why are you sticking out your belly? What? You know, we're just gonna pause that for a minute. Comment down below if you saw Trixie sticking out her belly. So weird. Glitchy. That was a bit glitchy when we were in the sky just now. Right there. Like, right there. Oh, I wonder if we can touch the, if we can jump. Boop. Boop. Oh, yeet. Of course, of course. Of course. Alright, so when we go fast. Okay, mystery box. Let's see what we get. No, I shouldn't have said that. I should have said that when we, like, lost or something. No, I think that was the right timing, right? Oh. I don't really care about the coins because I don't want to lose. It is getting faster, guys. It is getting faster. Faster. I know my singing is very cringy. Also, those... No! No! Alright. A guitar. Nice. 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 Those that, like all my videos, okay? I will know if you like all my videos, and at least comment down below for my future, videos. I will give them a shout out, okay? If you like all my videos, guys, I'm gonna say this again, I will give you a shout out. Oh, that was a close one. I lost my focus there, okay? Again, if you like all my videos, starting from the very first video that I ever done, I will give you a shout out, okay? I'm serious about that. Because I know some of you guys are probably like, I don't really know about that. I'm serious. Okay? And actually, watch my videos. Like some people, some subscribers watch my videos, not all. I know some of you do watch my videos. Ooh, that was a close one. Alright, I'm just gonna stop talking because it's getting freaked out. Alright. No, you see? Look, you see, it's been 15 minutes, and it's about to be 16. I knew it. See, I told you. I told you guys. I told you. Oh, and if you get new subscribers, I will also give you a shout out. Okay? Alright? Because I remember from my previous... No! Oh, jeez! No! Ooh, another hat. One Trixie hat. Okay. Alright, so if you guys like this video, I want you right now to smash that like button. Okay? Smash that like button right now. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Hit the bell to notify yourself of my latest videos. I want to say this again, guys. I want you right now to smash that like button. Okay? Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Hit the bell to notify yourself of my latest videos. And guys, guess what? I will catch you on my next video. Peace. Peace out.